Hi, Owen. Thank you for your poem this week. I hope you had a really good holiday weekend. I noticed in your notes that you said that you weren't a big fan of this prompt. I guess my recommendation for the future is like, well, there's two options. So you could always try the other one. But since you tried this one and it didn't work for you, that's okay. Some of the prompts will work, some of them won't work. So nice work on the attempt. I will say I think it falls flat a little bit. I do think that some of your other work is really strong. This one isn't as strong. So at this point in the class, my recommendation would be like, okay, great, you tried this. This isn't one to include in your final portfolio. And I do want to mention to please take a moment this week to go and read the requirements of your final portfolio next week so you know what to expect. You'll have the entire week to work on it, but I recognize that some students have other obligations, and so you might want to get started on it a little bit early, even as early as this week. So thank you so much. Please feel free to email me with any questions.